मैं बेस्ट एक्टर नहीं हूँ, बेस्ट लुकर नहीं हूँ, बट कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत है मेरे में. आफ्टर ये क्या रहा, we done couple of films.
You did?
Yeah.
With him?
Yeah, with him.
And they have not yet released?
No.
Like they
Because
have completed, the movies are completed.
The producers are not filming. In the sense they were chemical industry wale ya sari wale, and they were different people. They're not from the industries.
Actually, आप like 3 films जो नहीं हुए release. Oh my god.
And after that I started doing television.
Talking about movies, वो जो extended cameo भी था 8 Love Story में,
Yeah.
अभी भी लोगों को याद है,
Yeah.
because people are saying it was inspired by Shahrukh Khan
It
role
wasn't
in it.
inspired by any. It was inspired by the industry. I was
Yeah.
telling them, yeah, वो शाहरुख खान सर के डायलॉग्स थे या
हाँ.
अक्षय कुमार के बारे में जो मजाक करते हैं कि वो पढ़ के बोलते हैं, वो सब था. I love Big Boss. I love watching Big Boss, but I can't be a part of it because खतरों के खिलाड़ी I don't want. I'll never do. Now, I
Are
used
you
to
like
watch that show.
scared of snakes or something
I
like
don't want
that?
to say anything, but I'm scared of.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmily. This is Murtaza Iqbal and today I am with an actor जिन्होंने TV, big screen and OTT पे भी अपना झंडा गाड़ दिया है. Well, I'm talking about none other than Aamir Ali, who is here with us today. Hi Aamir, welcome to
What's
Filmily.
up, Murtaza? Thank you so much once again.
Yes, how have you been?
Been great.
So last time जब हम मिले थे तो
हाँ.
आपके एपिसोड्स आना बाकी थे लुटेरे के.
हाँ.
अब आ गए हैं.
अब बताओ.
आ
अब
गए.
बताओ. देखा तुमने?
अब रिस्पॉन्सेज नहीं, मेरे थोड़े देखने बाकी है, मैं भी ज्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ.
But how has been the response? Because that time आपसे मैं response का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ पाया था,
Yeah.
मेरे सिर्फ अमृता और जैसे
Yeah.
बात हुई थी.
Yeah.
So now I want to know how has been the response for you? क्या DMs आ रहे हैं, क्या response मिला आपको
You know,
fans से?
the show is so good. Last time also I told you that
Yeah.
जब ये show मुझे narrate हुआ था and the kind of vibe they wanted to create, and I knew these makers will do that
Yeah.
justice to it. When Sailesh Singh had told me first, and Hansal sir is involved, Supan Verma, Vishal, Jem, I think the good makers,
Yeah.
they and the makers whom you want to work with.
Work with, correct.
तो मुझे पता था कि it's going to be gold. And my response, I don't know, you tell me, bro.
I mean, I'm asking you, मतलब fans
It's
तो
been
आपके
good.
आपके
It's been
Insta के
good.
DM मैं कहाँ पढ़ने जाऊँगा?
It's been good. It's been good. They're really happily surprised. See, coming on OTT, जब मैंने सोचा था मैं OTT पे आऊँगा, मुझे ऐसे रोल्स करने थे, इस
हाँ.
टाइप के रोल्स करने थे, इस टाइप के शोज करने थे. अगर मुझे वही टिपिकल करना था तो मैं टीवी करता फिर. सो ये अभी जो आ रहा है बाहर, वो करने का मजा आ रहा है, एंड जो रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है वो भी बहुत ही overwhelming. में क्या बोलूँ, I'm really enjoying the kind of response and the kind of things they are talking.
Right. No, of course, I would like to know कि it's an ensemble cast series, you know. There are other actors also.
जी.
And as I said, आप third episode के बाद आपकी entry होती है.
मैं 6th episode में आता.
हाँ, मतलब मैंने 3 episodes देखे तो
Yeah,
मुझे पता है,
yeah,
उसके बाद आप
yeah.
तब तक नहीं थे.
Yeah.
तो I know that. तो वो कहीं दिमाग में था कि you know it's an ensemble, मैं
हाँ.
इतना late entry लूँगा. Will people have that kind of impact about my role or not? ये
हाँ.
कहीं भी था दिमाग में while shooting, और मतलब थोड़ा hesitation before taking out?
यार क्या है ना, मैं बेस्ट एक्टर नहीं हूँ, बेस्ट लुकर नहीं हूँ, बट कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत है मेरे में. तो वो एक चीज से मैं बच जाता हूँ. आई डोंट केयर. आई लव द रोल, आई ट्रस्टेड द मेकर्स, एंड मैं थर्ड में आऊँ कि मैं सिक्स्थ में आऊँ कि मैं एथ में आऊँ, देन आई डोंट केयर. आई जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो, आई गो विद माय इंस्टिंक्ट, एंड आई जस्ट लव द कैरेक्टर. आई एम नॉट द बेस्ट इन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट
You're just underplaying it. इन्होंने मुझे off camera भी बोला I'm not good looking. I'm like,
मैंने कभी नहीं बोला.
आपने बोला, you just said.
But I'm not. I don't take myself as. I told you, Amrita was making fun of my juta. I'm like, she doesn't have style. I have style because she has all the looks.
you know, I want to know this, that of course with Hansel sir actually 2002 में शुरुआत की थी. You होता तो क्या होता?
Yeah.
That was the first.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये क्या हो रहा है? Sorry, ये क्या हो रहा है? So you know, I wanted to know that कि उसके बाद आपने फराज भी किए उनके साथ, and then
16 साल बाद.
इतने, हाँ, and then of course this
I think
series.
Faraz, Hansel sir evolved himself. He was in Faraz. He was checking me if I've evolved also, you know, because
Yeah.
I was doing hardcore television. We met once in a while and stuff, but then he just proved and became one of the best in the country on OTT right now.
Correct.
The kind of stuff he does, I
He
don't
does
think
it.
anyone does. Yeah, so I think Faraz was like my screen test to do Lutere.
It's, I wanted to ask you this only कि you know, now working with him इतने gaps के बाद
जी.
भी, so do you think that now you understand him as a filmmaker and he understand you as an actor कि भाई मुझे इनसे क्या चाहिए और आपको उनसे क्या चाहिए? क्या आप वो समझ सकते हो, एक दूसरे का एक रैपो बन गया है?
यार हमारे बीच ही वाज, क्या बोलूं उनके बारे में, आई डोंट थिंक he knows me what I can do and I know what he can do पहले से.
Hmm.
That's why he trusted in me and I trusted in him. Our films that time when we had done never released.
Yeah,
After ये किया we had done couple of films.
you did
Yeah,
with him,
yeah, with him.
and they
Which
have not
never
yet
released. No,
released. Like they
because
were
the
completed. The movies were
completed.
completed.
The producers are not filmy. In the sense they were chemical industry वाले या sari वाले, and they were different people. They're not from the industry, so they were nice people, but they didn't know how to go about it. उनको लगता था कि बना दिया बस ये बेचो, इंटरेस्ट के साथ पैसे हमें मिलना चाहिए कम से कम.
Okay,
You know, they धंधे वाले people. They're not filmmakers. अब फिल्म
I got it.
जब
Yeah.
बनाते हो बेचते हो वो प्रोसेस अलग होता है, वो वाइब अलग होता है, वो लोग अलग होते हैं, तो वो नहीं थे वो.
Oh,
So
this is something new. मैं पता नहीं था कि
okay,
कर चुके हो. तो
कर
like
चुके हैं.
कितनी how many films actually आप
Three.
like 3 films जो नहीं हुए release. Oh my
And after
god.
that I started doing television.
Okay, that is amazing. ये
Yeah.
सच में पता नहीं था. So all 3 जो हंसल में था first one.
Mm.
Oh my god. Okay. तो
That time
कभी
he
हंसल
also
सर
was
से अभी
fine.
बात होती है कि सर
नहीं
कुछ
वो
करो,
बात
वो
होती
निकालो
थी.
पिक्चर है,
नहीं
अभी
वो
ओटीटी पे डाल
नहीं
दो.
नहीं, वो बहुत पुरानी हो गई है अभी 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 वो टाइम चला गया. वो फिल्में पुरानी लगेगी. इट वोंट मेक एनी सेंस. तो हम बात ही नहीं करते फिल्मों के बारे में.
करेक्ट. बट उस बीच में नाउ एज मैंने टीवी एक्टर्स जैसे कहते हैं उनको डिफिकल्ट होता है फिर मूवीज में आना या शिफ्ट करना.
है तो सही.
हाँ, and you know a lot of in between there was this phase that a lot of TV actors were mainly just roped in for erotic thrillers.
I never did that.
Were
I
you
know.
offered
Of
anything?
course. See, the thing is, they start their career from TV, most of them,
Yeah,
and then they get these offers कि movie है, and they get damn excited because the films या movies is everything for
yeah,
anyone. कोई कुछ ना झूठ बोल रहा है,
correct.
अगर वो बोल रहा है नहीं मुझे movies नहीं करना है, मुझे सिर्फ ये करना है, झूठ बोल रहा है. Films are everything. So I had been there. I'd been there. I'd seen what it is,
Mhm.
how it is. So because I'd been there, when I was offered for those kind of roles, I never did it. I said I don't want to do that. I can't do this. I prefer being what I'm doing on TV. And if you see my TV, television graph or movies or whatever I did, I've never done any work which I'll feel embarrassed about.
True.
I don't even do songs that much. मैं साल के एक या दो गाने करता हूँ music video. I don't even do that much because I don't. And मैं बहुत पकाता हूँ starting में. I get into what camera using, what is this, who's that, सब कुछ जाता हूँ because eventually I'm going to be seen.
Yeah.
इवेंट्स जो कराना है करा लो, जहाँ नाचना है नचवा लो. 2 साल के बच्चे से लेकर 80 साल के आंटियों की शादियों में या शादी बर्थडे में नचा लो. सब किया है मैंने. But when I'm going to be seen on screen, then I have to be very careful. I've never done anything only for money.
Correct. But you know what? I would like to say this as we are talking about movies. वो जो extended cameo भी था Eight Love Story में,
Yeah.
अभी भी लोगों को याद है
Yeah.
because people are saying it was inspired by Shahrukh Khan
It
role
wasn't
in it.
inspired by any. It was just inspired by the industry. I was
Yeah.
telling them, yeah, वो शाहरुख खान सर के डायलॉग्स थे या
हाँ.
अक्षय कुमार के बारे में जो मजाक करते कि वो पढ़ के बोलते वो सब था. But it was nothing. It was just a mix of everything. It was just gaggy.
Right.
My character was gags,
Correct.
and it turned out to be fun. I didn't realize when I was
Yeah,
doing
I
it.
mean, right now also, you know, वो
I only
बहाना
did it
गाना
for
आता
Puneet.
scene.
I only did it for Puneet, the director of the movie, because he met me. We used to work out together, and I don't know. He thought that I gave him some attitude which he loved. I don't know. So I have a blank face. मैं workout कर रहा
Yeah.
था. मेरे को काम पे जाना था. So मैंने हटने वटने बोला होगा कभी इसको तो मैंने जो हटने बोला ना that. So he really wanted me to. I only did it for him, and the whole movie had 5 scenes.
Yeah.
So first I was like, shit, I'm not doing this. Yeah, he's like, no, please. So then I thought, I remember ये break था. जरा नच के दिखा जस्ट खत्म हुआ
हाँ.
था. एफआईआर की मीटिंग के लिए मैं जा रहा था उस वक्त. एंड मैं बोला चल ना पिकनिक मनाता हूँ. कहाँ लेके जाएगा? क्वींस टाउन. मैं फर्स्ट ईयर बिजनेस में आऊंगा और ना मैं नहीं आऊंगा. एंड सो ऑल दैट I'll stay in that hotel only where they are staying. All that drama and it. So they agreed to all that. I just went there to have fun. I realized the role has come out good when in the trial of the movie I'd not even met Karan Johar.
Yeah.
Because Puneet signed me, Manish Malhotra was his चाचा एंड
हाँ.
वो सब करके हम लोग ड्रेस वेस करके ही वाज मेकिंग एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट कि मैं अच्छा लगूं. मैं जो एक्सपेंसिव कपड़े पहना हूं वो फिल्मों में एक एक छोटे छोटे शॉट के लिए बिकॉज ही वांटेड हिज भांजे की फिल्म टू
Yeah.
बी लुक द बेस्ट. So when the
And you were
trial
playing a superstar, so of course you have
yeah,
to.
so my
Yeah.
entry was happening and stuff. So when that happened, when the trial happened is when I realized यार लोगों को अच्छी लग रही, because then everyone's coming and congratulating me and stuff. Because in my head मैंने तो 5 सीन किया था, मैं टीवी में दिन के 5 सीन करता हूँ, ये तो मैंने परफेक्ट में 5 सीन किए थे. But it turned out to be surprisingly nice. Yeah, people still remember.
Yes, that's what.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people still come and say your tight jeans. That's why I started wearing loose jeans now.
Correct. You know, of course, I would like to know कि though you have done some dance
Hmm.
reality shows, you have kept away yourself from a खतरों के खिलाड़ी और a Big Boss. क्या कभी ऑफर हुआ है? और अगर हुआ है तो क्यों मना किया था? हुआ तो होगा.
I don't want to say. मैं सच नहीं बोलना चाहता. I love Big Boss. I love watching Big Boss, but I can't be a part of it because I'm scared
Right.
to be a part of it. But I love the show. Out of 15, 16 seasons, I must have seen 12, 13.
Okay.
So I've seen a lot. And Khatro Ke Khiladi, I don't want to. I'll never do.
Correct. Okay.
Or whatever he is. I never do. I used to love. I
Are you
used to
like a
watch that show.
scared of snakes or something
I
like
don't want
that?
to say anything, but I'm scared of. There is something I'm not comfortable.
Okay.
There are a lot of things I'm not comfortable. But I don't want to talk about it. Why should I? मैं अपनी क्यों बनाऊं? I can easily do all the stunts.
करेक्ट. अभी आपने बोला ये नेक्स्ट सीजन आपको अफोर्ड कर देंगे. आपने बोला ना इजीली यू कैन डू ऑल द स्टंट्स.
Offer तो करते हैं.
कर दे.
मैं I can't. I can't. खतरा I can never.
राइट.
I'll never.
You know, I would like to know कि जैसे मैंने कहा 2 decades in the industry, television पे भी variety of roles किए हैं, OTT is now giving you such good opportunity. But now as an actor, what exactly is there that one thing that you say yes to the project?
The kind of if the project is कैसे समझाऊं यार. See, ऑफिस तो ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत ज्यादा आते लेकिन
हाँ.
फिर भी आते. Okay, and but I don't want to be involved in a project that doesn't make me happy anymore.
Correct.
It has to satisfy me as an actor, as a creative person. I've done television. Even when I was doing television, yes, I was doing television for money. I won't deny that. But वहाँ भी ना मैंने धोखा नहीं दिया. There also I used to select and try doing different things. Maybe a भास्कर भारती बीच में,
हाँ.
or Dilli Wali Thakur Girls, yeah, inspired from a novel called Spicy Thakur Girls. Bhaskar Bharti was a Spanish show where a boy becomes a girl and the girl falls in love with me. You know, so I tried doing different kind of stuff on television also. OTT, I just want to be doing it for myself, for a role that really excites me.
Correct.
And yeah, I earlier also I never did for the heck of it. Money was important then. Money is not so important anymore for me. The kind of roles is more important.
Right. Well, lastly, before I wrap up this interview, I have a segment. Before I wrap up this interview, Amir, I would like to know that are you open to love again?
Of course.
And are you single or not? I think आपकी female fans जरूर जानना चाहेगी.
फैंस क्यों जाना चाहिए? फैंस के लिए तो मैं हमेशा सिंगल हूँ.
But have you thought about it? About
Of course,
being
I
in love
want
again?
to. Of course, I want to be in love again. I truly believe in this process and the word love because it's the most beautiful
Yeah.
thing. Without it, there's nothing in life. If you're not in love and if you're not loved and if you are not loving your work, if you're not loving your life, I think love is one of the most important word because eventually in life I just want to be happy and I think love and happiness is very much
Together,
yeah
simultaneously.
yeah I believe I
Okay.
will. You never know. I must have.
Is it?
Why should I say Khatro Ke Khiladi and love I'll not talk about.